Hello, hello. So I decided to go hiking today despite the fact that it's low-key snowing, but right now it's raining. If you need any proof of the snow, hold on, let me turn the camera around so you there's the snow right there if you need it at all. But I am loving these amazing views right here, not too far outside of the Chicago city limits. Let me show you right now. I'm on one of the overlooks, so let me show you this beauty. Like, oh my goodness, the fall colors. It is absolutely amazing, stunning, and we're about to go hit up the waterfall. I may be able to get you a nice little glimpse of an angle here, but yeah, this is so beautiful. Like, I literally for the past 2 days I've been like, I want to hike, I want to see something new. And you know, the adventurer within me, I was like, despite the cold, despite the rain, despite the snow, let's get it and marvel in the beauty of nature. So that's the waterfall over there, guys. Once again, we're gonna get closer so you can see it. We're just at the overlook right now. So to get to the waterfall, we have about maybe a quarter of a mile to go in the opposite direction. We will get there. Doesn't this kind of remind you of the movie Pocahontas? Just beautiful. If you know me, you know that I am always drawn to the water, that I love the water. So needless to say, I found this beauty while we were hiking. I just absolutely love the fact that living in Illinois, living in Chicago, there's so many gems that we have that in the city, just on the outskirts of the city. Like, literally this beauty here, like the whole, I love fall. Fall is my absolute favorite season. I love starting to, you know, layer up. I love seeing the different colors of nature. And you know what? I encourage other people to get out and, you know, embrace nature. You know, adventures awaits, live life fully. But also, I can admit, I do slightly enjoy that, you know, once the temperatures start to dip, you know, you have all these beautiful places to yourself. So exciting. So yes, hope you have enjoyed this little hiking journey with me. We actually didn't have to travel far, so this hike was only about a mile long, and Now we can, by all means, this particular location, we can turn it into a 9.5-mile hike, but just because it's my first fall hike, I'm not going to overdo it. All I've been doing in terms of exercise is yoga. So, you know, just like when I was training for the 5Ks, you got to build up to some stuff. But yeah, I just wanted to show you all this beauty real quick. He is having the time of his life. I don't know if it will ever be documented again of a gentleman in a sweatsuit with Jordans walking over a waterfall in a forest preserve. This is what he hiked in, and as you can see, he's documenting everything. He has really enjoyed this, and I'm so thankful for him for allowing me the opportunity. When he found out about my clothing line, he quickly offered a hand of assistance. And when I told him, like, you know, it's more than about fashion, it is a lifestyle, that he literally took me up on it. He said, well, show me the lifestyle. I want to be about that, because it seems like you're always, you know, having fun, enjoying life, seeing different stuff, and I that's what I want to be on. I want to see something different. I want to experience something different. So, you know, I got him into yoga, told him about nature therapy, and this is one of our nature therapy pieces here. And yeah, I just love how he is embracing it, enjoying it, and this is what I want for others, for them to truly, you know, step outside of the box that they know, their comfort zone, and truly live life fully, and know that all types of adventures, they await you. It's just whether or not you're going to take life up on its challenge to you. We have finished our hike, but I just want to take a moment to remind all of you, I know generally no one wants to be out, you know, when it's raining or when it just finished raining, or let alone when it's snowing. But I want to remind you that during a pandemic, that is one of the best times to be out, for you to get out in nature, so you can still, you know, get your exercise, you can still get your fresh air, your nature therapy in. But also when it rains, the air is cleared, it's cleaned, it's being purified. And of course, if you go over by a waterfall, waterfalls have negative ions that further cleanse the air. So I encourage you that if you are feeling a little cabin fever, if you need to get out there at the right time. Get out there when not many people are out and about, so you can lessen your chance of exposure, and you can be out when the air is the cleanest. Love you all.